In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in into TurboTax account 2024. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website or the TurboTax sign-in page. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before entering any account details, since this helps protect your personal and tax information. Once you're on the sign-in page, enter the account information connected to your Intuit account. You can usually use your email address, phone number, or user ID, depending on how your account was originally set up. After entering that information, click Sign In to continue. Next, type in your password. Be sure to enter it carefully, especially if your password includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, or special characters. If prompted, complete any additional security verification. TurboTax may ask you to confirm your identity with a one-time code sent to your phone, your email, or an authenticator app. This extra step is normal and helps keep your account secure. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken into your TurboTax account. From there, you can access your 2024 tax return if you've already started one. Just select the return you want to open and continue where you left off. If this is your first time filing through TurboTax, choose the option to start a new return and follow the prompts from there. If you forgot your password, don't worry. On the sign-in page, click the Forgot Password option. Then enter the email address, phone number, or user ID linked to your account. After that, verify your identity using the code that TurboTax sends you. Once verified, you'll be able to reset your password and then sign in again using your updated login credentials. If you have multiple Intuit accounts and you're not sure which one contains your tax return, there's a simple way to sort that out. First, sign out if you're already logged in. Then go back to the Intuit sign-in page and enter your email address or phone number. After you verify your identity with the code sent to you, TurboTax may show you the associated accounts available for that contact method. From there, select the account you want to use. That's all it takes to log into your TurboTax account for 2024. Take your time during sign-in, double-check your details, and keep your login information secure so you can access your returns smoothly whenever you need it.